welcome to our video. We are playing hide and seek! Yay! Bailey, I'm joined by Mr. Bailey. I'm going to switch name tags off now.
Hello.
Bailey, stop being silly now. Right,
Hello.
okay, right, I'm going to go first and stand on this. Oh, and I see her.
Already? Right, so I need privileges to open doors.
Okay, you're going to have permission. Why am I giving my own permissions? There you are, Bailey.
Count to 30, count to 30.
Okay, I'm going to set a little timer. So when I'm allowed.
Guys, there's going to be no flying, no teleporting.
Is there something behind it, or I don't know. But Bailey, sorry if I'm flying off. I'm just making sure if there is anything behind there. Is that actually just a plane? Bailey, go and hide. Go and hide. 3, 2, 1.
That was...
1,
That was...
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But you know what? Here I come, Bailey. Where's Bailey then? Bailey! Bailey! I'm gonna give up in a minute and just put name tags on. No, you're not in there. Alright, so you're not in there. There's the door over here. I hear you opening doors.
But when you find me, you have to hit me then.
Yeah. But you're not allowed to run
So
away.
I'm allowed to run if you don't hit me.
Huh?
I'm allowed to run if you don't hit me. So if you find me but don't hit me, I can still run.
Yeah. I can't find my way out there.
Oh, this place is just all one-sided. I want a place where you can like, say you can here, like you go one way, I can go the other. Let me get behind there, but I don't know.
I'm gonna give up in a minute and just switch name tags on because I feel like it.
No, don't game tags on.
I hear a door on your mic, but I can't tell it through. I'll tell him to be sure. Right. Right, where are you then? I heard a door, but it's coming from your mic, not mine. It's coming from my mic, but... Right, so, where are you? Oh, that's it. Oh my word, you're not hiding in one of these rooms, are you? Bailey, tell me the truth. Are you hiding in these rooms somewhere?
No.
Because I'm looking in all of them. Just to see where you are. Oh, that one's got balcony. I didn't see that.
But I can't sprint.
Why?
So I ain't got food.
Down.
So it's gonna be quite easy for you.
How's it gonna be easy? I don't even know where you are. Bailey.
I don't know where you are.
Me either. Are you in one of these rooms or are you at the top, Bailey? Give me a clue.
No, I'm not having no clues, mate. I'm I'm not hiding, I'm running.
You're running. Tell me if you see me.
I haven't seen you yet.
And tell me the truth.
No, Elliot, I mean seriously, I haven't seen you.
Okay, I'm just saying be serious because I want to know. Can you hear like footsteps? Really, Bailey? Really, Bailey?
Oh no! You don't push me off!
Push up! How are you gonna get back over though? I'm dying by hunger now. I'm gonna have to die. No!
Elliot, can we do another
What did you
round?
say, Bailey? I just fell off the cruise ship.
We do another round, I'm gonna die so I can...
Yeah, I just fell off the cruise ship, you know that. Bailey, let's kill ourselves to get food and stuff like that, yeah? Right, there we are.
Yeah.
Okay, there we are. So now we've got food. So now we can go around quicker. Right, guys, thank you for worrying
So I'm gonna go... I got white.
Have you?
So I'm on, yeah. I'm gonna count 30.
Okay, let me just come back because I'm far away from there.
Like, I'm gonna go to the toilet. When I get back from the toilet, I'm gonna count.
Okay, so I'm Hyder, okay?
Yeah, so go now.
Okay. I don't really get this, guys. Bailey?
Hey, I'm back.
Okay, well, I'm nearly hidden already now, so...
And plus it's night, so like the mobs are gonna find
No,
you.
they're not, because it's peaceful, so they're not.
It's not peaceful.
Yeah, it is.
It can't be because my thingy keeps going down.
It's on peaceful. I know. Right, I'm down. Hi guys, you alright? You alright? Good. So yeah, we're actually trying to find them. I'm looking at my TV at the same time. So yeah guys, yeah, we will do this. Yeah. So basically, this is my mind. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it? Yeah, that's my mind. That's my lips. That's my headphones. That's my headphones. This is my controller. Wow, it doesn't even know batteries. Wow, that's clever. This is my mic, but you can't see it.
What are you doing?
I'm waiting for you. I heard you then. Right. So basically,
Are you showing them your setup?
no, I'm just doing stuff. This is my headphones, everyone, to listen to you. Yay! Look at this. This is chicken bone from don't know where, but this might be from a dog. This is my shut up, everyone. Are you ready? Look at this. Wow. That is cool, isn't it, everyone? What do you think? Comment down below how you think of that. Yeah, comment down below. Yay! Hi guys. Hi guys.
I'm worried that you're going to be in one of these bedrooms and I'll walk straight past you.
You really think so, Bailey?
What floor are you on? Give me
I'm not allowed to tell you, Bailey. I don't know what floor I am. I'm not. Have you found me yet, Bailey? Are you looking for me or anything?
Yeah.
You're not even looking for me, are you?
Yeah.
He doesn't know where I am.
I'm also
What?
I'm also trying to kill myself, so like
Oh, don't do that, Bailey. Don't do that.
I'm trying to kill myself so I can get more hunger back.
Don't do that, Bailey. Don't, please.
Why?
Don't.
You're invisible!
No, I'm not.
What?
This is hilarious. You don't believe me! You won't get me, you scallywag! I'm down at the bottom of the sea! I live! You don't! Oh, don't even think about it, you. Don't even think about it. Don't even think Right, so how am I going to get back up? Go, 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 go! He doesn't know where I got. He doesn't know where I got. I didn't... Go, 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 go.
I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you. Oh no, Mom.
You didn't even...
Yeah, I'm here. I can't hit you.
Oh! What? Hang on, don't punch me yet. Let me just run home. Right, go!
Run.
Go, 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 go. Oh no, this is gonna lead to a dead end. Oh no, you're gonna come out the other way, aren't you? My hunger's gone down so I can't run, like, properly, Bailey.
What?
Because he's at his friend's house.
Bailey!
Hooray! Come on!
Bailey!
Help.
Hooray, Hooray! Hooray!
Bailey! You don't know where I am, do you, Bailey? Bailey! I'm here, Bailey! No!
Purple tweezers.
So yeah, guys. So hopefully you did enjoy this map by me and Bailey. Bailey didn't make it. He just did it, and so yeah. credit to the
Thank you.
builders. Thank you for making this map because we couldn't have played it without, in case you didn't make it. So thanks for making this. We're just going to fly around the cruise ship now and show you all of it. So I might turn this into a Hunger Games, Bailey, I'm not sure. But I think it might take too long to find everyone in a cruise ship, wouldn't it, Bailey? Because I'm not sure. So yeah. Hopefully you did enjoy this massive, massive cruise ship, guys. So yeah, Bailey, thanks for joining me. Thank you, Bailey.
It's alright. Anytime.
And so yeah, we would like to say thank you very much. And we will see you later, guys. Bye. Hopefully you didn't.
Bye.
Hang on, one more thing. Hopefully you didn't enjoy these stream videos on me and Bailey's not in it, but hopefully you do enjoy the stream videos because I thought that's really cool. Because if I do stream videos, it might be really cool. So yeah, thanks for it. If I could do stream videos more, and you watch them. So yeah, thanks guys, and yeah, see you next time, guys. Bye.